Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you ready to revolutionize your summer gatherings with the coolest machine on the market? The Iceman by Chefman Slush-Ease 68oz slushie machine. This incredible device is a game changer for anyone who loves slushies. And with its sleek design and LED lights, it's sure to be the centerpiece of any party. The Iceman Slush-Ease machine is liquid cooled, making it super comfy to use and clean. And its high-capacity tank can serve up to 6 people at a time. One of the best things about this machine is that it freezes without ice, so you can make slushies out of any beverage you can think of, from classic cherry to frozen margaritas, right at home on your countertop. The spacious 68oz tank is perfect for catering to a crowd, and the max fill line of 48 ounces is recommended to avoid spills while slushies are being made. You can get creative with the custom option, adjusting the temperature and duration for frozen cold brew in the morning, or a new twist on Gatorade after football practice. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a well-reviewed and popular choice for those looking to make delicious slushies at home. The built-in cleaning function makes maintenance a breeze, cycling soap and water through the tank without any added effort, and the detachable tank and auger can be rinsed clean in the sink or the dishwasher. With its advanced safety technology and 1-year assurance, you can trust that this machine will provide long-lasting durability. Whether you're looking to make slushies for a backyard barbecue or just want a fun and easy way to cool off on a hot summer day, the Iceman by Chefman Slush-Ease 68oz slushie machine is the perfect choice. So why not give it a try and experience the fun of making your own slushies at home if this helped? Hit! Link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.